Hello friends, welcome to Inspire Education. So today we are going to see what a Chanday's momentum oscillator in the technical analysis of stock is. Chanday's momentum oscillator, let's see what is it. It is a technical momentum indicator, momentum oscillator hai. It is invented by the technical analyst Mr. Tushar Chanday, and it is named after him, even Chanday momentum oscillator. It is created by calculating the difference between the sum of all the recent gains and the sum of all recent losses, and then dividing the result by sum of all the price movement over the period. तो अपन बेसिकली कर क्या रहे हैं, अपन पहले डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं जितने भी रिसेंट गेन्स हुए हैं और जितने भी रिसेंट लॉसेज हुए हैं उनका, एंड देन वी डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल प्राइस मूवमेंट इन द स्टॉक्स ओवर अ गिवन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. This oscillator is similar to any other momentum indicator such as RSI and stochastic oscillator because ये भी range bound है. Since it's an oscillator always oscillates between certain values, so it is also range bounded from -100 to +100. Let's see the CMO on the chart. In short form इसका CMO है. So Chanday's momentum oscillator is also known as CMO. Let's see them on chart. See, दो हैं इसमें वैल्यूज CMO और उसका एवरेज प्लॉट किया जाता है. सो दिस इज अ निफ्टी डेली चार्ट. ये वॉल्यूम्स, ये बार चार्ट है निफ्टी का, and this is the CMO which is plotted. The green line is the CMO and the purple line as we see is the average. Here it is written कि green line जो है वो CMO है और जो average plotted है वो उसका CMO का average है. So this way it is plotted. Moving ahead, we'll see the interpretations later on. Talking about interpretations and calculations, first of all, let's see the formula used. As we said, sum of all the ups, that is sum of all the gains, minus sum of all the differences upon the total values into 100. This is the formula for CMO, where SU is the sum of differences between today's difference between today's close and yesterday's close, and SD represents the absolute value of the differences between today's close and yesterday's close on down days. जिस दिन up days है वो SU, U stands for up and D stands for down. Now let's see how do we interpret them. Chanday's momentum oscillator, overbought and oversold levels. The CMO is surely a unique oscillator. This is a unique oscillator of course, but it has also overbought and oversold levels here. Since the indicator is based on previous closing prices, it will oscillate between -100 and 100 values. 100 और -100 के बीच में oscillate करेगा. Traders use a general rule that whenever the CMO is greater than 50, the security is said to be overbought, and whenever there is a reading below -50, then it is considered as oversold. तो 50 और -50 के levels overbought oversold regions की तरह काम करते हैं. Let's see it on a chart. See, यहाँ पे अपन ने जो डिफॉल्ट वैल्यूज हैं 50 और -50, अपन ने 60 और -60 के वैल्यूज यूज किए. -60 इज द ओवरसोल्ड रीजन and +60 is the overbought region. So here it has touched these levels -60 wale. So here we have given a buy. This indicator has given a buy signal, and see this is at around about 5200 levels पे है ये. और यहाँ पे ये इसने 60 levels को ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ काटा है, and here it is a sell signals almost 5600 के लेवल्स है, 5700 के लेवल्स हैं. सो दिस इज अ गेन ऑफ 700 पॉइंट्स इन निफ्टी डेली चार्ट. देन अगेन यहाँ पे it has touched slightly crossed this -60 levels, and here it is a buy signal. then again यहाँ पे accumulate करवाया है, वापस नीचे की तरफ buy signal है. then here it is a sell signal given on Nifty 5600 के लेवल्स पे, and currently the market was down trending. अब यहाँ पे buy signals आ रहे हैं, बट अभी मार्केट में कुछ मूवमेंट तो नहीं दिख रहा है, बट यहाँ पे buy signals दे रहा है ये. So CMO crossover signals whenever the SU crosses the SD in an upward direction, मतलब जो अब some up वाले हैं वो SD को upward direction में क्रॉस करता है, तो it is a buy signal, and whenever the vice versa happens, it's a sell signal. So let's see there are two lines which are plotted, CMO and its average. तो जब भी CMO उसको इसके एवरेज को ऊपर की तरफ काटेगा तो here it is a buy signal. CMO has cut its average in an upward direction, and when it crosses it in a negative direction, so here it is a sell signal. See again a buy signal because it has touched it upwards, and a sell signal. बहुत जल्दी बाय सेल सिग्नल्स आते हैं इसमें. सो वन हैज टू ऑलवेज लुक ओवर वेदर इट इज गिविंग यू पॉजिटिव नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स, अपनी कॉस्ट कवर हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही. सी इट वाज अ सेल सिग्नल एट अराउंड अबाउट 5600 लेवल्स, और यहाँ पे 4800 के लेवल्स पे आके इसने कवर करवाया है, बिकॉज देयर वाज अ ये ग्रीन वाली लाइन जो है अपना CMO है, उसने एवरेज को ऊपर की तरफ काटा है. सो हियर इट वाज अ बाय सिग्नल व्हिच वाज जनरेटेड. So in this way we interpret the CMO crossover signals. So I hope I had made myself clear on the Chande's momentum oscillator. For any queries you have, you can log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you so much.